Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have a very fun card for the last installment of Juice Rainbow series. For this card, I will be using Obsessed with Florals Background stamp and With You I'm Home, which is a sentiment kit for May of 2018, watercolors, white embossing powder, and clear ink pad, and my Misty stamp positioner. We are going to begin by rubbing some mono eraser. This is a background stamp, and Unity has great quality and I love their stamps, but I find that by scrubbing the new stamp, it just gives it a little cleaner image. We're going to begin by stamping the clear embossing ink onto that background, Obsessed with Florals. I'm just going to ink it really good. Reposition my paper, stamp that, just press pretty hard. And I'm pretty happy with it. And you see I only had to do it once, and that's part of rubbing that stamp with that sand eraser. Using white embossing powder, I'm gonna get some onto that clear stamp. And just trying to be careful not to get it all over the place. I'm gonna speed up the video as I go ahead and start heat embossing with my heat tool. It is a bit difficult to see, but you see a little bit that it's getting cured. It's getting heat set onto that cardstock. I'm gonna put my stuff away and we're gonna begin the watercolor process. I'm gonna start with my lightest blue and just doing round circles. I'm gonna follow the rainbow pattern in a circular motion going outwards towards the end of the cardstock, towards the corners. You really want to get your brush really wet so these colors do blend with each other. I'm speeding up the video and you'll see I just keep layering on the different colors of the rainbow. Once that's done, we are gonna speed up the drying process by using our heat tool. This will not mess up the heat embossing, it just allows it to set a little easier. Okay, get our surface cleaned up. I have a pre-cut piece of black cardstock. I'm gonna stamp the sentiment from the May 2018 sentiment kit. Again, using the clear embossing ink, and I'm gonna get my white embossing powder out again. Get my stamp covered. Clean it up, and then heat set again. Now it's time to put our card together. I have my white card base ready to go, putting adhesive onto it. I'm going to place our watercolor panel, and I have trimmed it so it would matte behind it. Gonna add the sentiment layer using foam adhesive onto the back of that black cardstock, and then we're gonna place this on the center of our card. And that does it for this very colorful June Rainbow Maker series. Please give this video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed the June series tutorial. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.